Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Madhava, and today we're going to talk a bit about the Introduction to Yoga course, which is also referred to as Yoga 1, and also about Yoga 2, which is Establish Your Practice. For Yoga 1, it's a course of 4 weeks or 8 classes, where you're going to be together with the same classmates, the same teacher, and you're going to start from the fundamentals. We're going to learn about the building blocks and bring them together, compose them together. So if you have no experience whatsoever, it's your first time practicing yoga, this is an amazing introductory course for you. Otherwise, if you are already experienced or your practice might have lapsed for some time and you want to bring it back, we're going to learn all the components of the open class. We're going to start with pranayama. We're going to do the breathing exercises. We're going to go through the warm-up exercises for sun salutations, through the leg raises. We're going to learn and practice the 12 fundamental postures, asanas, and we're going to do relaxation. At the same time, we're also going to review the 5 points for radiant health. And together, again, we're going to build this confidence in your practice, so you can practice either at home or in the open class. And you can also continue with the Yoga 2, the Establish Your Practice course, which again will be 4 more weeks, 8 more classes. Again, with the same teacher, with the same classmates, so you'll have the community and support around you. And it will be very good for you to establish either practice at home with the